Hey there, you old whippersnappers. You know, back in my day, we had to work all day to get us $5. We didn't have that fancy internet stuff like you young people have. I had to work all day in the sweating sun to earn myself $5. But Marcus is going to show you how to make $5 in about 15 seconds. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's Marcus here and welcome back to the channel here at Affiliate Marketing Dude. If you're new and you like learning about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and making money and everything like that, make sure that you click the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification icon. That way you get my latest videos and you can attend our live streams here every week. Good stuff, don't want to miss it. But right now I want to dive right in and show you a cool tactic that I was kind of discovering last night that really has a really good marketing lesson attached to it. So first, what I want you to look at is I want you to look at the fact that there are lots of tools in the Simple Sites course, right? In your Simple Sites Big Profits course, if you have that, you're going to get a tools section like this. You'll get all my tools, which is awesome, right? Really cool. Also, what you're going to notice is that the things that I teach you on this channel and in the tools and in the courses that I have are skills. And those skills, once learned, are valuable skills, right? I'm going to show you how that works right here, right now. First of all, what I was doing the other day is I was looking for someone to create a bunch of buttons for me. A bunch of little buttons like search buttons and buy now buttons and everything like that for our new plugins to give you guys some options to have on your site. Now, while I was looking for that, I was out there and I was searching for stuff like web button, right, like this, right? And I was going to Fiverr because Fiverr is where you can get little things created and stuff like that. And you can outsource things really easily. So I was going through and I was looking at guys like this that have little buttons and buttons here and buttons and more buttons. As I was going through, I noticed something come up that's really, really important that I found here. Let's see if it shows up here. It was actually under PayPal buttons, right? So if we go through and we type in PayPal button, watch what happens. All right, here we go. What happens is we get people that are willing to create PayPal buttons for like $5, which is cool, right? The whole idea of this video is how do you make $5 over and over and over again in a really easy way in about 15 seconds. And I'm going to show you that, right? Here we go. These people are actually creating PayPal buttons for $5 or $10 or whatever, right? I'll help you make a PayPal button. I'll help you integrate a PayPal button, help you make a PayPal button, button, right? Lots of people are looking this up, and I want you to pay close attention because you're about to get an aha moment. Now, a lot of people are looking it up. We got PayPal button, 8,100 people on the Google AdWords tool every month are searching for it. PayPal donate button, 900 or 9,900 people every month searching for it. Look at your competition. It's pretty much like not even there. Create a PayPal button, PayPal code, PayPal buy now button, PayPal payment link button, PayPal donation. Tons and tons of people. There's thousands of people looking up PayPal buttons. Now, let me let you in on a little secret. The secret is that no one wants a PayPal button. But Marcus, didn't you just say that people are looking for PayPal? I mean, Marcus, you just told me that thousands of people want PayPal. But the secret is no one really wants a PayPal button. What they want is sales and donations. They don't want the button. The button is a vehicle to get them sales and donations, but what they really want is the sales. They want the money. They want to get the donation, get the payment. That's what they want in the real world. So we got to look at that. That's what we call intent-based marketing. What's the intent behind someone searching for a PayPal button? Well, they want to make sales. Okay, keep that in the mind. Now, really cool. Lots of people looking this up. It's a huge niche. Lots of stuff, right? Lots of things going on here. Okay, here's even PayPal buy button code if you want like a long tail keyword or something like that. Now, on Fiverr, these services are being sold. People are selling these every day, right? They're there every day. You can go there, you can order it. Now, let me show you something really cool. In the tools that we have and the stuff that I teach you, we have a PayPal button generator. So if you want to make $5, if you're like, Marcus, I'm totally broke. I don't have 2 nickels to scrub together. I don't got nothing. Teach me to make money. What you could do is you could actually go through and use the tool in your Simple Sites course. Oh, but Marcus, do I have to buy your course? No. I'll actually provide it for you free in the link in the description, all right? So you can use this tool. You can go to Fiverr. You can sell PayPal buttons all day long till your heart's content, and you can do it free. All I ask is that, hey, when it works out good for you, come buy my stuff so you can learn to make even more. Fair enough? Check it out. We have this button called Create a Buy Button, and let's see where it's at. I got a lot of tools in there, which leads for a lot of stuff, right? So you could do this with tons of things, not just PayPal buttons. Now, we got a Buy Now button creator. We choose our payment processor. We choose PayPal, okay, because they want a PayPal button. We choose the button we want. I personally like this Add to Cart button, but you can use whatever you want, or you can make a custom one for your $5 guy or whatever. You put your item number in. You ask your client, what's the item number? Well, it's 54. What's the item name? Well, it's PayPal button ebook or whatever it is, right? Whatever your client says. You put your price. What's the price of it? Well, let's say it's $37. All right. Then you put your PayPal email, and the PayPal email, whatever your client's email is, right? Whatever. Okay. Boom. And there we go. Now, you copy this code. This is the code that they are looking for, right? That's it. That's the code they're looking for. So now they could take this code, they can go to their page. So let's say we wanted to put it on the home page of Affiliate Marketing Dude. We just click Edit. They would put their code in, whichever type of website software they use, right? We go to the text, and then we put our code right below the form, right like that. We hit Update, and bada bing, bada boom, we got a fancy, handy dandy PayPal button right like this. Really cool, really easy, something you can start right away. It's so simple, it's not even funny. So, really cool. Now, the lessons that you can learn, the takeaways from this is number one, you can make money on the internet really easy. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a place to get traffic. What is creating PayPal buttons? That's your offer, right? Really simple. It's the same kind of things I teach you with affiliate marketing, but I thought you might get it in a different way if you see it in like, hey, this is a service-oriented thing. Here's what you're creating. Boom, here you go, right? Really cool. You can even make a website about how to create PayPal buttons, or you can sell PayPal buttons or whatever. Now, here's where the cool part comes in. When you create your PayPal button and you deliver it to someone, you can actually include like a little guide on how to use it. And then on the guide, you say, hey, by the way, if you want to learn how to increase your sales or increase your donations, go to this website or whatever. And it could be an affiliate offer, it could be your own offer, whatever, right? Because the fortune's in the follow-up, right? Which is really cool. So I hope this made sense to you, because it's a basic way to see, hey, this is what people want. They're buying it right now. Here's a skill that you can create in 15 seconds or 30 seconds or whatever, and boom, you're off to the races. Super easy, super fun. Use it with your affiliate marketing. Use it with your niches. And hey, if you're short on funds, go set up a Fiverr account and sell PayPal buttons all day or whatever you want to do. All right, again, the link to the tool is in the description. There's also a link in the description that will take you to my guide on how to get started with these things, which is really cool. You can see that over at affiliatemarketingdude.com when you get the toolbar and everything like that, right? Good stuff. So, as you can see, big niche. As you can see, people paying right now, and as you can see, it's really easy. All you got to do is learn the skill, and you can learn tons of skills and make lots of money doing very simple tasks online. People do it every single day. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got a little aha moment about how affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and selling stuff online works. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm going to put up another video. That way, if you're binge watching me, you know what to watch next. It's going to pop up on the screen here for you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. I'm Marcus, and I'll see you in the next video.